video if you like.
They have been located. Robot. Fortunately, they only do a show at 11 and 2. So, sorry. As it is now about 2:45. We just missed a show. There's some other robots in here. Chilling. Zoom in. Some animal robots. The ones that look like Wally. The ones that look like a dog.
Yeah, Honda likes to show made it all whenever possible, but it still can't walk upstairs.
You can't walk upstairs?
The last time they tried to do a show where they started walking downstairs, it tripped. Like the first time they did it, couldn't walk upstairs, it got stuck and tripped. Second time, it got stuck going down the stairs. It's just only like 3 or 4 stairs they have up on the stage.
There's a video of the demonstration.
That's weird. That's weird.
Says he can walk very smooth and stable. I want to see him break out and dance, you know? Start doing a little
That's
boogie.
so cool. It reminds me of.
Oh, that is cool.
It reminds me of Awesome Man.
Who?
Awesome Man from South Park.
No. See what Marvin's doing. Marvin, what is this?
This is a 8-legged robot.
What?
Right over there. This thing's pretty amazing. It can walk upstairs. And it can pick stuff up. Got a little demonstration video right here. And can you see that? Oh, you can see it. And that's how you control it. A cockpit developed for advancement and integration of man and robot. A variety of robots can be controlled easily with a single device.
I'd really just like one of these for my room to do homework in, you know?
I would love that. Me and you both.